Hey, are you still looking forward to going to prom together?
Yeah, of course, I can't wait. I just wish it wasn't so expensive. I still have to pay for a dress and new shoes. Oh, and I'll have to go get my hair done too.
Yeah, I've been doing yard work for my neighbors to make some extra money.
Oh, I have an idea. Remember when we talked about investing and rates of return in economics class last week?
Yeah, I got an A on that test. It was really interesting. Why do you ask?
What if we look into some kind of investment to make some extra money for prom?
That might work. Do you have an investment in mind? You know we would probably have to pay taxes, right?
But it's not a job or anything. I only remember talking about income taxes in class.
But interest, dividends and capital gains from investments are still income. Even if there is a higher rate of return, the taxes you pay will affect that.
Oh, I wasn't thinking of that. Do you know how taxes might affect the rate of return?
You will have to pay your normal tax rate on most types of interest from your investments. That includes savings accounts, CDs, and bonds that pay interest.
What about stocks? They don't earn interest, but they have a higher rate of return, don't they?
You have to pay taxes on stocks too. Any money you make from selling your stocks is known as a capital gain. If sell your investments after less than a year, you will have to pay the normal income tax rate on it. For long-term capital gains, which are from stocks sold after more than a year, you will pay lower rates. Some stocks also pay dividends, which are taxed at the same rate as your other income.
But they still have a higher rate of return, don't they? I'm pretty sure we learned that they were high reward investment in class.
Only for long-term investments. Remember, they are more risky too, so we could lose money. On the bright side, any money you lose from investing in stocks takes away from the amount of capital gains you have to pay taxes on. But short-term capital gains still have higher taxes.
Well, prom is only a couple of months away, so we don't have time for a long-term investment. What should we do?
Taxes on interest, dividends, and short-term capital gains are higher than long-term capital gains. We should do some research and make sure to take that into account. We can also look for some tax-free investments.
That sounds good. I'm really looking forward to it.
Me too. I'll see you after school, okay?
Okay. See you later. To learn more about managing your personal finances, visit www.financialconnects.org.